Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is CorieTips, and today I'm doing for you a smoky halo makeup look. I'm really excited about this makeup look, so ride with me. So I used Pond's oil control for my face the last time, and now I'm using the 30 hours foundation by Maybelline Superstay, and it is an active wear, so you can also wear this if you're also doing your exercise, if you're doing your workout, and it's quite thick, guys. It's quite thick. So because this foundation is very thick, I'm not going to apply something light on top of it. Light, where I mean lightweight. So I'm going to first apply the lightweight on the areas that I want to highlight, and apply the foundation on top of it. So this is the LA Girl Concealer in Warm Honey, and I'm just going to blend it out. So I'm just tapping what's left over here on my chin, right here. If not, the concealer is going to pick the foundation out. So I'm just rubbing the product on my eyelid as well before I put some eyeshadow. It feels like I necessarily do not need foundation under my eyes, but I'm still going to apply just a little bit. I like to apply foundation and concealer at the same time. So let's go. So I'm carrying the foundation to my hairline, on my forehead, right here. My hairline. If you notice around here, it looks like there's a patch. That's because there was foundation there, and then the concealer was applied on top of it. So I think I'm just going to add a little bit more concealer under my eyes. Let's hope that it stays properly. So next I'll be using my Sacha Butter Cosmetic Powder, and I absolutely love this powder. It doesn't give me a flashback. So I'll be using my Magic Palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm using this orange brownish color as my transition color. Next, I'm using my Huda Beauty Remastered Rose Gold palette. I absolutely love this palette. I think it's one of the best palettes I've ever had. And yeah, so I'm using this dark color to contour my eyes. So you want to take very little of the black because the goal is not to make the eyeshadow so dark. So I'm using it to contour my inner corner because we're creating a halo makeup look. This is very dark, guys, like super dark. And then I'll be contouring this side. Just make sure you blend properly so you can blend into your transition. So you're not brushing it out, you're brushing it in, just so it can fade into where the halo eyeshadow is supposed to be. Then I'm going to go back to my transition color and then brush it on top so as to smoothen out this top. So I'm going to be using this color on top of the black because I don't want the black so dark. So I'm just going to just take it in. I'm using this bronzy color here. It's quite dark. It looks like it has like a green undertone. So I'm using my fingers and I'm just gonna apply it right here. Can you use your brush? Yes, you can. I think using brush is even better because it helps you to blend properly. So I'm using this as a base for the main color that I'm going to be applying. I'll have to apply something bright enough so you can see. So I'm using this gorgeous palette by Morphe and Jacqueline Hill. It's the Arm and Gorgeous palette. This palette I think is discontinued, but I absolutely love the colors in it. So I'm using this bright whitish glittering eyeshadow on here. What do you think? It's really bright. I don't know why this eyeshadow was discontinued, but I love and love it. So I like how the other bronzy color it's reflecting underneath, and I'm just going to take my C-shaped eyeshadow brush, just press it in, and blend it out on the edges into the black brownish smoke around my eyes. Let's make the eye a bit more dramatic. So I'm going to go back to black. And I'm just going to do Not bad. What do you think? I have a patch here. You can always clean that out. I'm just going to do my brows and finish up this look. Nevertheless, I'm still going to be using some of my transition color just to brighten up this place a bit more, you know, just give it some more definition. Excuse me. So I'm using Eversheen pencil in brown, and I absolutely love this. It is a P603 in case you're wondering what color it is. And I absolutely love this brows. It feels like I don't even need to define under here or my brow bone, but I'll still go ahead and do something. So I'm just using the brush to just clean up that patch. And then next is concealer. And I'll just blend it out. This brow looks better than this. That's because I've just defined it. So I'm just going to do for the next one. So I'll be applying some Sacha Butter Cosmetics right here. And I'm using my powder by Milani Cosmetics. It is 1109. Right here. So I'm using Glam Girls eyeliner. I like this eyeliner. And next, I'm using my Zaron Lightning Mascara. So I'm using this pencil by Kiss Beauty. It is black. Next, I'm going to be using this Super Stay Powder by Maybelline. It is really, really nice. It is Java 375. It is really, really dark. You can use a brighter one as your bronzer. So I'm just going to make sure that I take very little, and I'm applying it under my cheekbone right here, and extending it all the way up. I already have a dark natural color here, so I'm just going to take very little and just blend it into this bit mark, and then blend it. Next is on the side of my nose. I'm blending it all the way up here to my eye socket area, and then I'm using my Milani powder all over. I'm really happy about this makeup. Actually wasn't in the mood to do anything today, but thank God, even though I knew that I was supposed to be recording one way or the other, I was just down in my mind, and I prayed and the Holy Spirit helped me. For some of you who do not know what the Holy Spirit is, the Holy Spirit is the Spirit of God. It's my friend, helps me every time. So I'm using this blush. It's not a popular brand. This was just something that I picked up at the cosmetics store. This is my go-to color. Oops, you see that? Huh. Next, I'm using this Technique highlighter. And next is this lipstick by No Balm Beauty. It is brown and it is really a definer. It helps to define my lips as my lip liner. It's a lipstick, but I use it as a lip liner. And next I'll be using this Milani lipstick. I love it. It's really, really red. Just gonna blend. Feels like we can barely see the halo on my eyes, so I'm just gonna apply into so it can pop.